Hey, I'm Alex. I help businesses run smarter with AI and automation. Most companies chase new customers, but the biggest wins can come from retention and expansion. A tiny 5% bump in retention can lift profits by 25% plus, and repeat customers spend way more than first-timers. The problem is, sales and CS usually operate in silos. CS learns what actually matters to the customer, but sales has to guess what to pitch. So upsells get missed, risk slips through the cracks, and lifetime value doesn't grow. So we built a workflow that gives sales the exact context CS uncovers: real needs, real bottlenecks, clear priorities. And we use RAG to do it, meaning the AI pulls accurate product info and makes intelligent recommendations on what to sell and why it fits. Now reps speak with confidence, customers feel understood, and you grow lifetime value intentionally instead of accidentally. All right, quick setup before the walkthrough. We're acting as a legal software vendor, selling to law firms. We created realistic sample data, size, practice type, priorities, current plan, because that context is what makes smart upsells possible. Then we built a workflow that analyzes each account and identifies which upgrade actually solves their problems and why. It runs that logic through a RAG system to match product capabilities to customer bottlenecks. And it gives the rep a clean recommendation backed by business reasoning, not guesswork. So now that you get the why, let's walk through a live example and show you how the system thinks. All right, here's the Google Sheet we're working off of. Imagine we're in a customer success call with this firm and the CS rep asks the right questions. Not, are you happy with the product? But, what are you actually trying to improve this quarter? Let's check one of our customers here, Alex White at a personal injury law firm with 10 employees. The customer success manager noted, as a small firm working in personal injury, immigration, leadership wants to increase client reviews by 20%. The primary bottleneck is that no centralized reporting across practice areas, causing lost productivity and slower case resolution. Additional challenges include no automated reminders for follow-ups and due dates, limiting the firm's ability to scale effectively next quarter. All right, so here's where things fall apart in the real world. CS uncovers great insight, but the next question becomes, okay, what should we actually recommend to fix this? And that's where it gets messy. Imagine we're Clio. It's not one product, it's a huge ecosystem. Multiple plans, add-ons, compliance tools, intake software, reporting features, AI upgrades. No rep remembers all of that under pressure. Even when the problem is crystal clear, they're still stuck spending 30 to 60 minutes digging through docs and pricing sheets. So instead of expecting reps to act like walking encyclopedias, we automate the reasoning. The system takes the customer's context and matches it to the right solution intelligently and instantly. That's exactly where our RAG agent steps in. For our knowledge base, I loaded Clio's full product and pricing info from their website. Now, let's see what happens when our RAG agent runs the CS notes. Back to the Alex White example, we detect their current subscription and add-ons, then the system recommends upgrades that directly address their goals. Instead of guessing, the agent intelligently matches needs to solutions. In this case, even though they already use Clio accounting, HIPAA protection, and advanced document automation, they're missing Grow and Manage AI. Grow streamlines intake and communication, which helps increase client reviews through better customer experiences. Manage AI brings smart task automation and updates, reducing admin bottlenecks. Together, these recommendations improve efficiency, client satisfaction, and scalability next quarter. What you just saw is a small taste of how powerful this workflow really could be. We took CS insights, connected them to the product catalog, and turned it into intelligent, personalized recommendations that actually help sales win more. And that's just scratching the surface, because right now, our knowledge base only contains the basic pricing and product information from Clio's website. Imagine if we layered in case studies, industry benchmarks, competitive positioning, implementation timelines, ROI analysis. The business intelligence gets exponentially stronger, and your reps walk into every call prepared and dangerous. If you want to explore how you can build this kind of intelligence and workflow automation into your own business, check out salesout.ai and book a free consultation.